How to see sent follow request on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can see sent follow requests on Instagram. Now, let's dive right into it. So to see your sent follow request on Instagram, there is no direct in-app feature. So you must download your account's information. To do that, open up your Instagram app. After you open it up, head over to your profile on the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines on the top right. Then you'll need to head over to your account center. After you do that, you should find your different options. You'll need to head over to your information and permissions under your account settings. After you do that, select export your information. And it will take you to this web page or basically your account center of your Instagram. And all you now have to do is tap on create export. After you do that, you'll need to select your account. And after you've selected your account, you can then export to your device or to an external service. Let's tap on export to device. After doing that, you can simply select what you want to download. You can customize all of your information. You can leave it at default as well. So tap on start export and you'll need to type in your password. Now this will, after it's been done, you will get your information in this page right here in this export information section, and under current activity, you'll find your downloads like this. After you've done that, you'll then need to open up your file that you've downloaded, and from there you can access your pending follow requests file within the downloaded data, which will list all the users you've sent your requests to. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.